chocolate man. Goodness, you're happy with this freedom, huh? It's okay. Anchovy.
Oh, Anchovy.
Come here, Anchovy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. He was just playing. Oh. Buddy.
Anchovy.
I know.
Jeez.
He's just sitting there. Are you a nice man?
He's not even looking at you. Ah. Hey, you two.
Hi, he didn't do anything wrong. Come here.
Well, Anchovy is trying to start stuff.
Which is what Anchovy does.
No, she doesn't. Anchovy?
Anchovy. Oh my goodness.